What is up, everyone? It's K here. Today I'm going to show you how you can really import your intro videos into your PS4 SHAREfactory. So what you want to do is you want to go to your USB stick and you want to create a folder, and you want to name this folder SHAREfactory because where we're going to import it, we're going to import it using SHAREfactory on your PS4. I'm going to use my PS4 Pro. So after creating this folder, SHAREfactory, you want to go inside the SHAREfactory folder and create another folder in there and name it videos, because we're going to import videos. If you're doing music, you still have to create another folder and name it music. If you're doing pictures, you have to create another folder inside SHAREfactory and name it pictures. So depending on whatever you want to import is the folder you create. So we're going to go ahead and copy this intro and paste it into the videos folder that we created inside SHAREfactory. So after pasting it in there, I'm going to go ahead and cancel this, and we're going to go ahead onto the PS4 and I'll show you what to do after that. So now we're in the PS4 in the SHAREfactory. After opening it up, you want to go to import content. So you can see here, this is how it appears when you open up SHAREfactory, but you want to go ahead all the way on the bottom where it says import content. And on the import content, you have import music, import images, and import videos, and also from SHAREfactory themes. But you want to go to import videos because we're dealing with videos today. And after that, you click import from USB. And on import from USB, voila, you should be able to see what you're importing. And this time we're importing this gaming intro from Grown Up Games. So we're going to go ahead and click on it by clicking X, and it will select it, and we've already imported it. So it takes just a flash of a second, depending on your PS4, but my PS4 Pro is very fast and strong. So now we've imported it. We're going to go ahead and check on my last project, which is right here that I was working on. And we're going to go ahead and import that intro onto this project. So right here, you want to click the X button, which says add clip or add whatever you want to add to your project. So we're going to go ahead and add the clip. And these are the clips I have on my PS4 Pro in the clip bin. So you want to go ahead and browse through to get to the clip you just added. Mine is all the way on the bottom, as I'm going to show you after my outros, the auto outros that come with the SHAREfactory. So I'm going to browse all the way down. You can see it right here, Grown Up Games intro. So it's also appropriate that you name your clips and everything that you want to import accordingly, so you can easily find them. So I'm going to go ahead and add it by pressing the box button on the PS4 controller. And you can see it's added. As you can see, my intro is being added to my project, and that's how you edit. You go along and edit the way you want. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye for now.